This is question number 16 from GS paper 1 of mains 2021 examination. Question is, discuss the multidimensional implications of uneven distribution of mineral oil in world. See, uneven distribution of mineral oil deposits has multidimensional impacts on world politics, diplomacy, and economy. After a brief introduction about uneven distribution of mineral oil deposits, I have written its multidimensional implications on world politics, diplomacy, and economy. Now let's see the answer. More than half of world's oil reserves are located in Middle East. Besides these, Canada, US, Latin America, some former USSR countries have about 15% of world's oil reserves. Uneven distribution of mineral oil has multidimensional impacts on world politics, diplomacy, and economy of the world. One is that oil deficient countries import oil from oil rich countries. The import of oil is burden on their economy. It drains away large amount of foreign reserves of these countries. Secondly, export of oil by oil rich countries helps them to earn foreign exchange and makes their economy strong. Next is that when big oil producing countries or their group like OPEC cuts oil production or increases oil prices, it triggers inflation and reduces economic growth in oil deficient countries. Next is that uneven distribution of oil deposits have also been cause of wars and invasions. Invasion of Iraq in Iran and Kuwait, invasion of Syria into Republic of Chad was with aim to take possession of oil-rich deposits in these countries. Critics link US invasion into Iraq with intention to control its rich oil deposits. Having rich oil deposits give these countries diplomatic advantage. Saudi Arab is known as oil superpower. In 1973, Saudi Arab, by using its influence in OPEC, a group of oil exporting countries, imposed embargo on US, UK, and Japan for supporting Israel. Embargo means the OPEC countries limited export of oil to these countries. Long distance oil pipelines pass through oceans and international borders. Leakage from these pipelines in oceans elicit fierce opposition from environmentalists. As these pipelines pass through different countries, it affects the diplomatic relations between the countries. Next is that import of mineral oil is a big economic burden on oil deficient countries. To reduce this burden, these countries are moving towards alternative fuels like ethanol, biodiesel, and exploring alternative methods and technologies to reduce dependence on oil. In this way, uneven distribution of mineral oil has multidimensional implications on world politics and economy. Thank you.